Capitol Hill with Representative Eric Burleson showing some whistleblower video during a hearing about UFOs. It seems to show a U.S. military drone shooting a missile at an unidentified object just off the coast of Yemen last year. But as CBS News senior national security correspondent Charlie D'Agata reports, the aerial mission did not go as planned.
The newly released video captured by a U.S. Reaper drone shows a glowing orb off the coast of Yemen. Suddenly, on the left side of your screen, you see a Hellfire missile zip in, strike that unidentified object, then bounce right off it. When we slow the video down, you see the Hellfire missile continue to travel on its path, that trajectory becoming clearer from this zoomed-out angle. Not shown is a second Reaper drone that launched the missile. Congressman Eric Burleson shared the video at a House Oversight Committee on what the military calls unidentified aerial phenomena, better known as UFOs.
A Hellfire missile smacking into that UFO and just bounced right off. And it kept going.
It kept going, and it looks like the debris was taken with it.
Yeah, what the hell is that?
To bridge the gap between UTF, did I just watch? And welcome to the simulation? Welcome back. I'm your host, Jay. All right, lean in. Bye now. You've seen the footage. Yemen, 2023. A U.S. Reaper drone fires a Hellfire missile, a weapon designed to turn steel into dust at a glowing orb. And what happens? It doesn't explode. It doesn't even dent it. The missile literally bounces off like a tennis ball hitting a brick wall and just keeps going. Most people are looking at this and asking, what kind of technology is that? But here at the Sovereign Mind, we aren't looking at the tech. We're looking at the source code. Because what you just witnessed isn't a secret plane. It's a glitch in the Matrix. And it proves that Matrix Complexity Theory, MCT, isn't just a theory. It's the Holy Grail. Let's break this down for the average Joe who still thinks gravity is a law, rather than a suggestion. In standard physics, when a missile hits a target, the simulation triggers a destruction event. Kinetic energy meets mass, entropy spikes, and things go boom. That is user-level physics. You, me, and the missile are all standard users bound by these rules. But that orb? That orb has admin access. Under MCT, the universe is a balanced equation where 0 equals 0. Usually, the Matrix maintains this balance through cause and effect, but an admin-level entity can protect its own coordinates. When the missile struck, the simulation didn't ask how much damage does this do. It simply saw a collision denied command. The UAP didn't have to fight the missile. It just refused to acknowledge its existence in the local data stream. This is the paradigm shift. We aren't looking at aliens from another planet. We are looking at auditors from a higher complexity layer. They're the ones holding the clipboard, checking to see if our simulation is still running according to the master consciousness. This is the bridge between the Bhagavad Gita's celestial weapons and modern unified field theory. It's all the same script. You may ask, hey, why isn't this video in 8K? Why the grainy AI visuals? Why the raw aesthetic? Listen closely. This information is classified by reality itself. If I produced this in studio quality with high-fidelity renders, the simulation safety filters would scrub it instantly. High-definition truth is a threat to the collective firmware. I keep these videos raw, grainy, and unpolished as a cognitive firewall. It's a low-pass filter for your soul. If you're waiting for a polished, corporate-sponsored version of the truth, go back to the evening news. But if you're here for the sovereign audit, you'll understand that the glitches in my production are actually the encryption keys. We aren't here to entertain the masses. We're here to wake up the admins. Stay sovereign. The Matrix is thinner than you think.